fantastic personally for me to be here because I meet many people that I've worked with in the past from a number of nations. You know, I met an Italian pilot earlier that I taught to fly Tornado F3. I meet many customers that I've operated with and dealt with over the last decade or so who come to here as now leaders in their community. And it's great to have that commonality, that common understanding of what the collective need is. So it's working really well.
We find that we share very common challenges when it comes to aircrew training, and very similar challenges when it comes to looking at training in a virtual environment and how to safely migrate very complex and often very dangerous training into a virtual environment in a way that pays dividends both financially but also operationally and from a flight safety perspective as well. So a conference like this allows us to sort of communicate those challenges, articulate the strategies that we're using to move forward. In many instances, I'll pick up a number of very key important points, success areas that other countries have seen, and those are the sort of things that we can migrate into our own projects as we move forward.
And for me to be here in the international setting is absolutely crucial at this point in time, especially as we start to change some things in flying training both internationally and also inside within the United States. More specifically, with the TX coming on and the opportunities that presents ourselves, with the fifth generation capability that we're starting to generate and also to train in, these kind of venues are going to be absolutely vital as we go ahead and go forward, because as we know, it's just such an uncertain environment in the world, both from a political aspect, from an international aspect, but also from a fiscal aspect. And candidly, the more that we can talk to each other, the more that we can collaborate will give us a heck of a lot better capability in the future. But more importantly, it also gives us the opportunity to go ahead and bounce ideas off of each other. So as we sit there and talk about training, flying training systems and changing those, everybody has a little bit different orthogonal view on how they've done it. So we're able to really tap into a lot of different aspects of training, types of training, where they've succeeded, where they haven't. And from that perspective, this is very, very beneficial for all people that are involved.
The specific thing that we've brought here is one of the programs we've been looking at is operational training, integrating synthetics, and clearly the MFT conference is a great opportunity to see customers from around the world and to really test out our ideas to whether our thinking works and is attractive to customers. And so that's been the great benefit of coming here. So it's the industry group along with the DSO together looking at doing that, and what we found is that yes, I've got great confidence now that our ideas and the approach that we're going to be taking has got resonance, and particularly working through an open architecture that allows lots of industry to integrate. And again, not just about those big 16 doing their own thing.